Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, LED headlights, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.